Hello my friends, and welcome to another unboxing video. I'm checking out these pumice stones for cleaning. So these are a natural stone and they're super lightweight. They're like non-toxic and really good for like porcelain, things like that for cleaning, different things. So it's like a softer stone, but it is like quite abrasive. You could use it to, like, I wouldn't really use it on my skin, but as far as like even like use it to clean toilets and like stainless steel pans and things like that, where you got maybe like you cooked on some stuff on it, it's on there really good. And this will, this is it's really abrasive. If you worked with pumice before, and this is like a 30 pack, so that's kind of nice. A bunch of different cleaning aspects to it. Like these each come in these nice little, they're about probably 6 inches by an inch basically. 5.9 by 1.4 by 0.9 to be exact. So anyways, yeah, if you have like this, see this scissor has like this little like stain on the edge there or whatever, and I can just kind of use this. And because of it's quite abrasive, and you can see now that that is off of there, whatever that was, some kind of little stain thing. But it also took some of the color off of there. So be careful maybe if you are using on certain things to make sure that it's not going to, I don't know, like a cooking stove, you could research like the cooking top if it's going to scratch glass or anything like that. Obviously you don't want to do that, but it does have a lot of different cleaning applications. And there's 30 of these guys. You can see they wear down a little bit as you use them. So, but it's nice and handy that you have them in this like application. And like as far as I have like tea we make in the morning, and it gets cooked on there a lot. We put milk in it, and then it's difficult to wash out the pan. So you really have to scrape away on it, maybe get some steel wool or something, but this pumice would work really well on that as well. So anyways, my friends, thanks so much for watching this video. I hope it was helpful. Have a great day, and I'll see you next time.